Samsung has officially unveiled its latest flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. These devices emphasize advanced artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities, integrating features like Google Gemini for enhanced user interaction. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Its camera system includes a 200 MP main sensor, a 50 MP ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lenses of 10 MP and 50 MP, alongside a 12 MP front-facing camera. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the S25 Ultra offers 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. The device maintains a 5000 mAh battery with 45W wired and 15W wireless charging capabilities. Samsung has committed to providing 7 years of software updates for these models. The Galaxy S25 series will be available starting February 7, 2025, with prices varying based on configuration.